Lucid, ticker symbol LCID. You know, I always warned everyone to stay away from this because of Peter Rawlinson, one of the most disgusting CEOs ever in the history of a stock. He was one of the highest paid CEOs in the world, taking all the money for himself. You may remember that situation. Well, he's not the CEO anymore. It's Marc Winteroff. Thank God for that. It was disgusting how much money he took for himself. But this is why I kept away from this stock. However, I've got a new story for you right now. You might want to listen to this. This is important. Tap the like button, consider subscribing. You're going to like this around Lucid. We've been watching this, arguably the best electric car in the world, but all the money went to the CEO. Well, that's all changed, and this story has just come out. Lucid rallies on more reports that Tesla owners are switching to the brand. It really is the only competition. If you want the best EV, it's always been Lucid. But now the stock price is insanely cheap with a new CEO. Thank God. I can't say enough about that. But this story is very interesting. Lucid rallied 7.5% in late morning trading on Tuesday. The EV stock has outperformed many automaker rivals this year amid reports that the company is taking advantage of consumer backlash against Tesla. And it really can. It's the only one that really can. Everything else is just another electric car. If you want something that's better than a Tesla, this would be it. Notably, interim CEO Marc Winteroff told Fox Business that Lucid has been a dramatic uptick over the last 2 months in orders from former Tesla drivers of interest. Winterhoff said 50% of all orders coming in recently are from former Tesla owners. It really is the only competition to Tesla. This could be huge when you consider the stock price right now. Tesla buyers were always the source of our sales because they were already used to Lucid electric drivetrains, and they took and they look for opportunity to have something else, something better. Stated Winterhoff on the EV backdrop. He's absolutely right. And now with a new CEO in place, this could be massive. Looking at the broad order sector, Lucid Group is seen by analysts as better positioned than rivals because the company's vehicles are fully assembled in Arizona, including battery packs. Think about that. If you want to buy electric, you want to buy American. This is more American than Tesla. Think about that for a moment. Think about the tax advantages. This could be huge for Lucid. Lucid has ambitious plans for 2025 that includes focusing on expanding production, launching new models, and advancing its technology. The company aims to be more than double its production in 2025, targeting approximately 20,000 vehicles. This is a significant increase from the 9,000 vehicles in 2024. Also plans to ramp up production capacity gradually throughout the year, with monthly output potentially reaching 2,000 cars by the end of 25. So we need to remind ourselves this is still a very, very small company. Don't get too excited. But the thing is, if you're talking about an American product, if you're talking about a product that can beat a Tesla, if you're talking about a share price that is oversold, this has to be the way to look at it. Let me give you the actual numbers on Lucid. I'll give you some analysis here. Let me just prepare it for you. Here we go. All right, so this is some more detail on Lucid. If you like this so far, please do tap the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. This is a very important story, I think, today. Let me give you some more details on Lucid. We have, very little when it comes to valuation because it's just been losing money for such a long time. I don't need to go over what the company's about. Let me get rid of that. But look, I'll share you this. I've put together this. Competitors and unique value. Lucid Group's primary competitors include other major players in the electric vehicle space. Tesla is a significant competitor, known for its extensive EV lineup and market presence. Another competitor is Rivian, which has made strides in the EV space with its focus on electric trucks and SUVs. Additionally, established automotive giants like BMW and Mercedes-Benz are entering the EV market posing competitive challenges with their luxury electric models. But really, there is no comparison when you look at these other brands. Lucid's unique value proposition lies in its focus on advanced EV technology and luxury. The company's acclaimed for its high-efficiency powertrains and long-range capabilities, with its vehicles offering some of the best range charging performance in their class. Lucid's commitment to in-house innovation and vertical integration ensures quality control and enables continual enhancements via over-the-air software updates. The company's strategic partnerships, such as with Aston Martin, very nice indeed, further highlights its technological prowess and potential for technology licensing. Now, if we look at these valuations here, this is very, very important. If we look at the valuation, first of all, Lucid's valuation is challenging, with price to sales ratio significantly higher than the sector. So even though the stock price is so low, you've got to understand the true value of this. If I look at the PE ratio, it's negative 190 because it's not actually making money, significant money at the moment. So it's with its price to sales ratio significantly higher than the sector, indicating the stock may be overpriced. So it's still at this level, it's overpriced, but nowhere near as expensive as Tesla. For instance, its price sales ratio is 7 compared to the sector median of 1, suggesting a premium valuation. It is still expensive. This stock was way, way too expensive under Peter Rawlinson. It's a lot better now, but remember, it's still expensive. It used to be around about $40, $50, remember though. Growth. Lucid showcases impressive growth with a forward revenue growth of 67%, far exceeding the sector's 3%. So there's much more growth here than there is for Tesla. This indicates a strong expansion potential and robust future performances. Remember as well, it's made virtually entirely in the United States, more than Tesla is. Think about that for a moment. Think about what Trump is doing with the tariffs and the fact that you'll be able to get tax rebates from American-made products. This could make Tesla unaffordable and make Lucid very affordable. It needs to be because it's more expensive anyway. Remember that. Profitability. Lucid's profitability is weak with a negative return on assets of negative 28%. Just explain that, but that's going to improve when it ramps up. Significantly below the sector median of 4%. This reflects inefficient asset utilization and financial challenges. Momentum. The stock momentum is poor with a 6 month prior performance decline of 35%. Now remember, this is being done. This report was done. In fact, I'll give you the date in a few moments ago, but I'm predicting that this report was put together a few weeks ago. This highlights bearish sentiment and investor caution. Revisions. Earning revisions present a mixed picture with 3 upward and 5 downward EPS revisions. In summary, Lucid demonstrates remarkable growth potential, but it's hindered by weak profitability and negative momentum. Let me check the date on this. I would imagine that this is actually improving. This was done. Let me have a look. March 23rd. Yes, March 23rd. So you're reading this report just over a week ago, and things have dramatically changed in this last week, and you're going to see big changes tomorrow. So folks, I'm just saying this could be a very big swing here for Lucid, okay? If you look at its stock price over the last year or so, you see how it's declined massively, but this is at the bottom of its trading range. You can see that, look. And now with everything improving for Lucid when it comes to Tesla owners and everything that Trump is doing, it's kind of ironic really when you think that you've got Elon Musk there advising him, and yet all this is happening with his competitor. But anyway, that's how Warren Buffett finds stock. That's how I find stock. A beleaguered stock. A stock in trouble, a stock with potential to explode from here. Very, very good day. Very, very exciting. What do you think of Lucid? Does that interest you at all? Tap the like button. Consider subscribing. This could be a big day for Lucid. Big day, as in Liberation Day, tomorrow. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description and in the chat. Sorry, not in the chat, in the comments. I've got lots of videos I've just done. Stocks that are about to pop tomorrow. We've got short squeeze on Virgin Galactic. I've got some more news on Tesla. If you want the follow-up video to this on Tesla, that's coming after this. That'll be below as well. And also get ready for the Liberation Day video. I've got all that out for you, and all the Trump trades and everything else. All of those I'll put below, and I'll put as many. I can put 3 over here, 1, 2, and 3 down here. Okay, go and check those out. It's all coming. It's a big day. Are you excited? I am. I'm investing in the United States, even though I'm from England. I'm extremely bullish on the US businesses. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.